can see, it is now the best time of the video, testing time. So I got my spoonie and now I'm gonna test it. This is so delicious and well balanced. Assalamualaikum ladies and gentlemen. Today we are making a new and a creamy and icy dessert. The name of the dessert is Checkboard chocolate ice cream. So let's begin with our ingredient. First ingredient, we have 2 cups of cream. This is a whipping cream. You can add any type of whipping cream as you like. First we whip our yummy delicious cream and then I'll tell you the next step. As you can see, it is nicely and really goodly done whipped. It is half cup of condensed milk we will add in. Yummy condensed milk, any type of condensed milk. Beat it for 1 minute. Okay guys. So we got a thick spoon and now we're gonna put half of the cream in this bowl. So now let's begin the process of putting the cream in another bowl. So for the first ice cream batter, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence in there. And now we're gonna whip it. So as you can see, it's now the second bowl time. We'll add 1 teaspoon of coffee and hot milk. And now we will mix it well. So now we'll add 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder in our cream. And now we'll add our mixed coffee. We have made it. I'm gonna add that. And now we will whip it. Okay guys? So we have made our chocolate one and our vanilla and they're both ready, and now we're going to take them and put them in our piping bag as you guys can see. And now we will put it. As you guys can see, our cones are ready. I'll show you guys. This is our chocolate one, our coffee, and our yummy and delicious one. Layers. Now it is time for layers. First, it is the yummy one. And now we're gonna little tap it. And now we're gonna put our plastic sheet on here to airtight it. And now we're gonna put the lid up. And now we're gonna wait it for a night, I guess. So guys, the freezing has been ending. So now we will open our box. As you guys can see, I'll put out the plastic sheet. As you guys can see, our ice creams layers are ready. So now I'll remove the edges from the side. This is so soft and nicely cold ice cream. And now I will put our ice cream here. I'll touch it. And now, as you guys can see, it is ready. And now I will cut it into slices with the help of a knife. And now we will cut our slices. As you guys can see, oh my gosh, that is nicely done. And now we'll cut them to thick slices. Oh my gosh, I am so ready for this ice cream. So guys, now it is going to be our assembling time. Gonna put it in a separate plate, and then we will decorate it with some yummy things. As you guys can see, I've cut in some pieces, and now it's chocolate syrup time. We're gonna add some chocolate syrup. Yummy, delicious chocolate syrup. Oh my gosh. If you guys like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. For now, Allah Hafiz and happy Eid.